my name is Jackie, and I am the Floor Programs Manager here at the Franklin Institute. We're going to be doing some fun programming this summer because it is the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. So come on down and join us on July 20th for our big celebration. But before we get into that celebration, I want you to celebrate at home. There's a couple of fun things that you can do, but my favorite thing to talk about is how we actually got to the moon. How did we get there? With a rocket, right? So unfortunately, I don't have a rocket for you here to explode, but instead I have something really fun that you can do at home. So to begin our experiment, we're gonna need a couple of ingredients. The first one is just a little canister, but we wanna make sure that it has a lid that goes right on top. We wanna make sure that it goes on there very tightly. Okay, now the second ingredient that we will need is a little bit of Alka-Seltzer. I've taken a tablet and I've crushed it up into tiny little pieces so we can do this experiment many, many times. The third ingredient is water. With the canister, all you have to do is take a little bit of the Alka-Seltzer and place it right on top. Add a little bit of water and watch how it starts to fizz. Now, if I put the lid on top of here, the pressure is going to start to build up. That pressure is because of a gas that's being created called carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will build up so much that eventually some fun stuff will happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast! And there you have it, our Alka-Rockets. I hope you had a fun time, and I hope you enjoyed this experiment so much that you want to do it at home. See you later.